How to tag someone in Strava app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to tag someone in Strava app. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing to do, as usual, is to open your Strava app. Once you've opened your Strava app, the home page will be displayed where you have options like see what your friends are doing. So if you are interested in seeing what your friends are doing on Strava app, you can click on that option. Then the next option is subscribe to Strava. So if you're interested in subscribing to Strava, you can simply click on that option, and you would also find the list of sport activities that you've done previously or recently in the Strava app. Now, to tag someone on your Strava app, you take a look at the lower part of the screen where we have icons like the home icon, maps icon, record icon, groups icon, and the U icon. The U icon is the icon that you're going to click on. The U icon is the last and the fifth icon on that row. So once you click on it, you wait patiently for a page to display on your screen, and on this page you take a look at the top right corner of this page. We have the profile icon, the search icon, and the settings icon. You simply click on the profile icon just like I've done here. Then once you've clicked on it, your profile will be displayed on your screen, your name, your state, your country, then the numbers of followers you have will be displayed on your screen. The people that are also following you on the Strava app will be displayed on your screen. Here I don't have anybody following me, and I don't have any follower. But for you that want to tag someone in Strava app, you should have people following you. You should have followers. You should have people following you as well. So you simply click on the followers option that is just after the profile picture icon. You click on it, but for me I don't have any follower. Like you can see here, I don't have any, but you should have. So once you've clicked on it, the list of your followers will be displayed on your screen. Then you click on the particular person that you want to tag in Strava app, or the person or the people that you want to tag. So once you click on them, you click on tag, the option tag, then those people will be tagged on Strava app. So it's that simple and it's easy to try out. So this is simply how to tag someone in Strava app. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.